Welcome. This is a 10-minute yoga class perfect for anybody just beginning yoga and for anybody coming back to the practice. Let's begin standing with the feet wide and swaying the arms gently side to side. You might feel silly doing this, perfectly fine. It's just you and your mat. And then you can bring the feet closer together if that feels okay for you. Just begin to tap on your chest, your shoulder, maybe a little bit going up the side of the neck. Tapping is very stimulating for the body, the blood flow, the lymph nodes. This is a great way to help wake up the body. And just starting with one side and then working your way to the other. Maybe even massaging the back of your shoulders. And we'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, release the hands back down. Inhale, reach, moving at your own pace. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach nice and high. Exhale, release. Standing at the top of the mat, inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, take a fold. Option to bend the knees if that feels okay today. Inhale, half lift, come up as high as you need. Exhale, take your fold. Again, option to bend the knees. Inhale, come to standing, hands reach up. Exhale, heart center. We'll do that sequence a few more times. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come to standing. Hands reach up. Exhale, heart center. One more time. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come to standing, hands reach up. Exhale, heart center. Go ahead and come down to a tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Tucking the toes and then just sending your hips back towards the heels. You can stay right here. You can come all the way up, sitting on the heels, opening the feet here, the root of the body, getting that blood flowing. And of course, you have the option to come out of any pose. You don't have to do this pose. You can stay in it as long as you need, as less as you need. And whenever you're ready, untuck the toes, shake up the toes, and reach the hands forward, forehead or cheek to the mat. You can even take the knees even wider if that feels okay today, or take the hands beside your heels. Option to modify here, placing pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. Working with the breath here, nice slow inhales. And as you exhale, softening the hips, softening the back, the arms, the toes. And whenever you're ready, we'll gently release, coming into your tabletop pose once again. Inhale, dropping the belly, take your gaze up. Exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down just between the knees. And we'll continue syncing breath with movement, flowing at your own pace. Great. And whenever you're ready, we'll come to a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. Feel free to sit on a few pillows, a bolster, some blankets, books. And we'll start to draw the chin towards the chest, rocking the head side to side, ear to shoulder, ear to shoulder. And then we'll draw the chin up towards the sky, ear to shoulder, ear to shoulder. Sitting up nice and tall. Take the right hand straight out towards the right side and just plant it to the mat. You can stay here if that's enough of a stretch, or you can start to draw the left ear towards the left shoulder and then rocking the chin up and then down. And shake it out. We'll switch sides whenever you're set. Left hand straight out and then down towards the mat. Staying here, or begin to draw the right ear towards the right shoulder. And option to rock the head forward and back. Gently release, shaking it out. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards the left hand to the mat. Right hand reaches up and over. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, take it over towards the right. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, gently twisting towards the left to your own ability, no forcing here. And we'll inhale, reach back up. Exhale, twisting towards the right. And we'll gently release. Take a moment here. Maybe take a sway side to side. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste.